Watkins Glen, New York. Watkins Glen State Park. Get ready to do about a 3-mile hike. So, cause he told me about 18 waterfalls. So we'll see. I'm anxious to see this as soon as I figure out where to park. Oh, there's parking on the other side. Okay. So, welcome along. Looking forward to this. Beautiful walk through here. Amazing.
This is small.
Still descending. So beautiful. You can hear some back there. Some of them are visible. There you go, 3 of them. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. You never can tell where you'll see the water from. I say thank you, lady just stopped by and told me, if you see that reflection up there, this is about the only time that during the day this happens. It's very rare to see it. So hopefully it's coming out on video. I'll try to do some pictures here in a second. Had a wonderful conversation with someone from Canada just a few minutes ago. She said she never knew about this place, and it is amazing. Watkins Glen State Park, if you've never been here, you need to get here. I don't even know what to say anymore. I have no clue what to say. Really, really cool. On the other side of a waterfall. You know, see, I do not have any clue how many waterfalls I have seen on this trail. But if you're a waterfall lover, this is it. Here we go. Another spectacular waterfall. Better view of that same waterfall. Much better view. What a view. I stand in awe. I just really do. Not sure how much further I'm going to go down into this. It's getting later and I'm getting tired. But we're going to walk down a little bit further and see what we can see. The bridge in the background, perfect pictures. All right, trying to get through here. And made it. Alright, the lady told me in Canada to go down the spiral tunnel, so here we go. I'm going to end this video at. Wonderful trip. Loved it. Watkins Glen State Park in New York. Make sure you get here.